Hello everyone, Luke here, welcome back to the channel. So recently I've been having a few problems trying to remove stripped screws from whatever I'm working on. So I've got this little trick that I wanted to share with you guys without actually drilling the buggers out. So let's take a look. I've got a nice little example set up for you guys, and right here is a nice little Torx screw that I've actually purposely stripped. And to make sure that it's really stripped, we can grab the drill and get some pressure on there. That is definitely stripped. So now let's get this removed. So you're not going to believe what you're going to need to remove this stripped screw. An elastic band. And what I've done is I've basically just chopped it in half. We can lay it over the top. Get our drill and put a load of pressure into the actual screw hole. Once you feel it grip, start undoing it very slowly. Oh, whoops. And there we go. So I absolutely have no idea where I picked up this little trick, but I have to admit this has helped me on multiple occasions get out stripped screws that I would have not been able to get out otherwise. And with that being said, that does bring me to the end of the video. I really hope this has helped someone and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them all. Anyway guys, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you later.